Some cars make it past 1 million miles, while others struggle to survive beyond 100,000. After years of working in the shop, I've seen both ends of the spectrum, and the truth is, it's not always about the brand of the car. The real secret lies in how you treat and maintain your engine. In this video, I'll share 11 powerful hacks that can keep your vehicle running smoothly for years to come. Let's dive in. 11. 30-second warm-up rule. One of the most common mistakes drivers make is letting their car idle for 10 to 15 minutes on a cold morning, thinking it's warming up. In reality, this old-school method is hurting your engine more than helping it. Modern vehicles, built within the last 25 years, use advanced fuel injection systems and sensors that automatically adjust for cold starts. When you idle too long, raw fuel doesn't burn efficiently, and it washes down the cylinder walls, stripping away the protective oil film. That leads to premature wear on piston rings and can cause oil burning well before 100,000 miles. The smarter method is simple. Start your car, let it idle for about 30 seconds, then drive gently for the first 5 minutes. This circulates oil quickly, warms the engine under light load, and prevents unnecessary damage. Do this consistently, and you'll dramatically extend your engine's life. 10. Acid flush protocol. Most drivers don't realize coolant does far more than just regulate temperature. It also prevents corrosion inside your engine. Over time, however, coolant breaks down and becomes acidic. This acidic fluid can silently eat away at your radiator, heater core, water pump, and even head gasket, while still looking perfectly normal. I've seen 3,500 repairs caused by neglected coolant that could have been prevented with a simple flush. The golden rule: replace coolant every 3 years or 30,000 miles. Even if the bottle claims 100,000 mile life, those numbers assume lab-perfect conditions, not real-world driving. Once coolant loses its corrosion inhibitors, it triggers electrolysis, sending stray voltage through aluminum components and creating mysterious overheating issues and leaks. A $15 jug of coolant or a $120 flush is cheap insurance compared to thousands in repairs. Flush regularly, and your cooling system will remain clean, strong, and reliable for years. 9. MAF sensor cleanse. Your engine breathes through a small but critical part called the mass airflow (MAF) sensor. Its job is to measure how much air is entering the engine so the computer can deliver the right amount of fuel. Over time, dust, oil vapors, and debris coat the sensor, causing incorrect readings. When that happens, your engine runs either too rich or too lean. Symptoms include rough idling, hesitation, poor fuel economy, and even stalling. Many car owners think they need new injectors or oxygen sensors, but often all that's required is a quick MAF cleaning. Every 10,000 miles, remove the sensor and spray it with dedicated MAF cleaner, never carb cleaner, which can destroy it. Let it dry fully before reinstalling. This 5-minute job can restore lost power, improve mileage, and even extend the life of your catalytic converter. Keeping the MAF sensor clean ensures your car's air-fuel brain stays sharp. 8. Transmission time bomb. Your transmission is one of the most expensive components in your car, yet it's also one of the most neglected. Many automakers advertise lifetime transmission fluid, but let me tell you, there's no such thing as lifetime fluid. Over time, heat breaks it down, additives wear out, and tiny metal particles contaminate it. Once fluid loses its protective qualities, clutches and valves begin to fail. I've seen countless cars with dead transmissions at 120,000 miles simply because the fluid was never changed. The rule of thumb: replace automatic transmission fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. If you tow, haul heavy loads, or drive in extreme heat, stick to the lower end. A $200 fluid service is nothing compared to a $4,000 rebuild. Think of it like blood in your body. If it's dirty or burnt, the whole system suffers. Keep it clean, and your transmission will last decades. 7. Napkin filter. Effective oil is the lifeblood of your engine, but what protects that oil is the filter. Many people grab the cheapest filter on the shelf, assuming they're all the same. They're not. Cheap filters often use thin paper elements that clog quickly or worse, tear apart, and let unfiltered oil circulate through the engine. I call this the napkin filter effect because some of them look like folded napkins inside a metal can. On the other hand, quality filters use dense, well-constructed media that traps contaminants while still allowing strong oil flow. The difference can mean whether your engine lasts 80,000 miles or 400,000. Always choose OEM or high-quality brands like Wix, Bosch, or Mobil 1. For a few extra dollars per oil change, you're buying protection that keeps abrasive particles out of bearings, pistons, and camshafts. Remember, clean oil plus a proper filter is the foundation of engine longevity. 6. One-click rule of fueling. At the gas station, many people top off their tank after the nozzle clicks off. They want a full tank, but this habit is silently destroying the evaporative emissions system. Modern vehicles use a charcoal canister to trap fuel vapors. When you force extra gas into the tank, liquid fuel floods the canister, ruining it. Once it fails, you'll get check engine lights, failed emissions tests, and even poor fuel economy. Replacing this system can cost anywhere from $600 to $2,200. The fix? Stop filling the moment you hear that first click. That's when your tank is safely full, with room left for fuel expansion. Overfilling doesn't give you more miles. It just damages parts designed to keep your car efficient and environmentally friendly. Follow the one-click rule every time you refuel, and you'll save yourself thousands in unnecessary repairs. A simple habit change can protect an entire system. 5. Garbage in, failure out. Your car runs on a network of sensors. Oxygen sensors, crankshaft sensors, coolant sensors that constantly feed data to the engine computer. When one fails, many people go for the cheapest replacement online. Big mistake. Cheap sensors often use poor quality materials, don't meet OEM specs, and fail much faster than genuine parts. Worse, they can send incorrect signals, leading to poor performance, random stalling, or even damage to the catalytic converter. I've seen drivers chase endless check engine lights because of low-grade aftermarket sensors. The fix is simple. Always use OEM or trusted brands for critical sensors. It might cost $30 more up front, but it saves you hundreds in diagnostics and future failures. Think of it this way. Your engine is only as smart as the signals it receives. Garbage sensors equal garbage performance. Quality sensors equal smooth, reliable driving. Don't cut corners where precision matters most. 4. Tire swap. Ritual. Tires aren't just rubber that meet the road. They're critical to safety, fuel economy, and even the lifespan of your suspension. Yet, most drivers don't rotate their tires often enough, causing uneven wear. Front tires wear faster because they handle the steering and most of the braking force, while rear tires usually wear more evenly. If you leave them in place, you'll end up replacing tires prematurely, sometimes at only 20,000 miles instead of 50,000. The solution? Rotate your tires every 5,000 miles, ideally during each oil change. This ensures even tread wear, better grip, smoother rides, and maximum lifespan from your set. On top of that, consistent rotation reduces strain on your suspension and keeps your alignment in check. A $30 tire rotation can literally double tire life, saving you hundreds of dollars in replacement costs. Treat tire rotations like an oil change ritual. Small habit, huge payoff. 3. Car brain relearn. Rule. Modern cars are controlled by a central computer, often called the ECU, engine control unit. When you replace major components like the throttle body, MAF sensor, or even a battery, the ECU doesn't always recognize the change immediately. Without a relearn procedure, the car may idle rough, stall, shift poorly, or run inefficiently. I've seen people waste money replacing perfectly good parts simply because the computer hadn't been reset to relearn new parameters. Some relearns are simple. Disconnect the battery for 10 minutes or follow a sequence of idling and driving steps. Others may require a scan tool, especially for newer vehicles. Either way, the rule is this. After any major part replacement, perform the manufacturer's recommended relearn procedure. Think of it like teaching your car's brain new habits. Skip this step, and your car could run worse than before. Do it correctly, and everything works in harmony. 2. Winter rust, washdown method. If you live in an area where roads are salted during winter, your car faces a hidden killer, corrosion. Road salt accelerates rust formation faster than almost anything else. I've seen vehicles that looked fine on the outside, but had their frames, brake lines, and fuel tanks rotting from underneath, all thanks to salt buildup. The best defense is a regular undercarriage wash during winter months. Even a quick spray at a coin-op car wash is enough to flush away corrosive salt before it eats through metal. Pay special attention to wheel wells, suspension components, and the frame rails, since these areas trap grime. Doing this weekly in the salt season can add years to your car's structural life and keep it safe. Rust repairs are some of the most expensive and often not worth fixing. Prevent it early with a simple washdown ritual. It's cheap insurance against total decay. 1. Injector bomb. Fuel injectors are the heart of your car's fuel delivery system. Over time, carbon deposits and varnish from poor quality gasoline build up inside them, reducing spray efficiency. Dirty injectors cause rough idling, hesitation, poor acceleration, and even reduced fuel economy. Many drivers think they need new injectors, but often a simple cleaning is all that's required. Every 6 months, add a high-quality fuel injector cleaner, like Techron or Seafoam, into a near-empty tank before refueling. This gives the cleaner maximum contact time with the injectors. For heavily clogged systems, a professional pressurized cleaning may be necessary, but regular use of cleaner prevents it from reaching that point. Think of injector cleaning as a tune-up in a bottle. It restores lost performance, improves mileage, and extends the life of your entire fuel system. A $12 bottle twice a year can save you hundreds in repairs and keep your engine running crisp. Take care of your car, and it will take care of you for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and share this with a fellow car owner. Don't forget to subscribe. More insider secrets and car hacks are on the way.